Hey, what's up everybody? Today I'm going to be replacing the stock seat on my 2019 Harley-Davidson Iron 883. In a previous video I did replace the stock seat with a Pera Daytona Sport, the Daddy Long Legs model, which was a little bit longer than the stock model, but I ultimately ended up sending that one back. The seat itself was fine, but I bought it to go with some taller handlebars and I ended up not doing that. Wasn't comfortable doing the install myself and the price was way too much to have it done. So I ordered a new replacement seat that would keep me in the same riding position as the stock seat. So there isn't much to replacing a stock seat, it's only held in by one screw. The main reason for this video is to show you what the new seat looks like on the bike, since when I was looking I couldn't find any pictures or video of this particular seat on this particular bike, so maybe this can help some of you thinking about buying the same seat.
The stock seat has a little hook underneath, so you'll have to push forward and then lift up to get it unhooked from that. I might just remove this so that it doesn't press up against the new seat that I'm putting in. The seat I'm going with today is the Pera Sprocket. I haven't unboxed this yet, so let's see what's inside. So it looks like this seat already has a little tab on here, so I'm not even sure if I'm going to need the aftermarket hardware, so we won't know unless we do a test fit, see what it looks like. So this little tab here sticking out needs to be hooked under right here. I tried to find out ahead of time if this seat was going to leave a gap between the tank here, and actually could not find any videos or anything out there on this that answered my question. So that's one of the reasons I wanted to film this today. So if you do have a 2019 Iron 883 and you want to replace it with the Pera Sprocket seat, it is going to leave a gap. I guess I won't know for sure until I get this one out on the road whether I'm going to keep this seat or not. I decided to get the pleated seat because it's kind of a similar look to the stock Harley seat. So I'm just going to bolt this down and see how the fit is.
Hope you enjoyed the video today. If you liked it, click the like button. If you'd like to see more content like this, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Till next time.